In this tutorial, we're going to look at the assignment operator. The assignment operator is the final group of operators. We have mathematical operators, comparison operators, and an assignment operator. An assignment operator simply is denoted by 1 equals. And it's how we assign a value to a variable name. So here is an assignment operator. This is not. This is a comparison operator. If I was to change this piece of code to this means if age is equal to 16, do this. That's why we use 2 equal signs to mean equal to in programming, because we've already used the 1 up to become the assignment operator. So the assignment operator means assign a value to a variable name, and it's used in the building up of variables. Remember, a variable has 3 parts: name, equals, value. That's the assignment operator.